Hey guys, it's Lacey back with a new video. Today I'm going to be stretching to 4 gauge. So stretching to 4 gauge has been so hard, or not necessarily stretching to 4 gauge, but like trying to get there because I've had so many complications. A few days after I stretched to 5 gauge at the end of September, I decided to go back down to 6 gauge in this ear. It kind of had a blowout. It's back at 5 gauge now. In this ear, we're still at 5 gauge. I'm gonna go ahead and start stretching. I'm not too concerned about cleaning my ear since I already did that. This is the 4 gauge plug. If you can see how big it is, I think it's pretty big. I can't wait to get there. Take out 6 gauge plug. I'm going to use vitamin E oil and massage my ear. Take the O-ring off of the 4 gauge plug and put vitamin E oil on the plug. Hope for the best. Ready? I can feel it being a little tight, but that's how it usually is. Okay, and this ear is at 4 gauge. My left ear is at 4 gauge. I did feel a tiny sting, but like it wasn't that bad. So, and now this ear, which is at 5 gauge, this one was at 6 gauge. I'm going to take it out. So now that we got vitamin E oil on this ear, we're gonna go ahead and vitamin E oil on the plug. I'm going to stretch. Oh, that went in pretty easy. I don't feel any stinging, but we're still gonna massage just to be sure. This is what this ear looks like. And this is what this ear looks like. We're done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out my other stretching videos. I have a playlist that's linked in the description. You can also check out more videos on my channel. I have a how to fake different piercings video. You can go check that out. I'll link that in the description and maybe in the cards too. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more. I'll be making more stretching videos up until I get to my goal size. So bye.